Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you a day at the Krylx nail bar. My good sis Jess, aka Krylx, did hook me up with my extra long Christmas AF nails for Vlogmas. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and make sure you check out my good sis at Krylx on YouTube for more detailed nail tutorials.
How do you do anything without long nails?
Easy. Don't get clumpy nails, ladies. It should be able to stay just like that no matter how thick they are. You don't need no curvy nails. That's ugly.
Y'all, this is my honest friend. The video looking laying around in there. They say she don't need to put in work. Shut the fuck up. Alright. Look what just got for Corey's birthday. We're about to surprise him. How you sleep, birthday boy? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wake your ass up. Hey y'all. Wake your ass up, birthday boy. We 26 today.
We are 26.
We 26. Look, we just got you.
We are 26.
We got you your triple chocolate cake you've been hollering about.
Wake up.
Corey followed me out the car last night saying, I don't like that extra shit in the middle. I just like chocolate. So I'm glad we didn't get that truffle cake.
Yeah, because y'all plotting. We always together.
Oh, yeah. Right. How did you know that?
Telegraphed the whole play.
You was in my phone?
She said exactly that. That's the thing.
No, she didn't.
She said that exact thing. Purchased this hat and this hoodie at theblockclothing.com. Which y'all on the tube too. What's your ad name? I know your ad name too.
Close by K.
Period. I'm gonna put it up there. That is fine.
Look around.
Ooh, let me see. Ooh, and I wanted that for my birthday too. That's fire.
I gotta get you.
You gotta get me.
I gotta get you.
Good child.
Yeah, I know.
I do like crown apple though. I'll take a shot. I'll take a shot.
Oh, this is perfect.
Is it a post office snicker? So actually I can go handle business or whatever if that's the case.
Yeah.
I just gotta ship this wig off.
That's too much.
Oh, you did? You did.
I'll take a half. I've never tried prime. Wow, this is the perfect time to try it.
This is
Not a doubt. Favorite couple of the year. Period.
My friend called me. I haven't talked to her in a year. She's like, you getting married?
Yeah. We're getting married. What's your locks page called?
My hair page is _nature, like NATUR_Ally, ALLY.
Okay, bet. I'm gonna post it. You better get her before the prices go up on you hoes.
They really sleep on Kayla too, though.
I ain't doing no old French now.
Yeah, she gonna mess with it.
That was for Megan. That one for me. Favorite nails on your page is this right here. Is that blue with the blue chunky glitters? Those are
Y'all
my
hear all
favorites.
this blue talk? You finna get this blue. Period.
Let's get some of them and then
Yes, sir.
how do you do anything without long nails?
easy.
Alright, so tell the people how you started coming to me.
I got these raggedy ass nails from TJ Nails.
No!
And-
No names. No names.
You can blame me. But I got these raggedy nails. The ombre was terrible, like terrible. Literally, I posted them on Twitter and I was mad. And somebody had tagged her and was like, you should have went to her. And ever since, I've been going to her. Don't get clumpy nails, ladies. It should be able to stay just like that no matter how thick they are. You don't need no curvy nails. That's ugly.
Y'all, this is my honest friend.
Just saying. So can I not get pink?
No, they want to see winter nails. We're doing winter nails.
What it look like this?
Okay. Dear Lord, we are gathered here today to
wrong.
slay my friend's nails. Don't interrupt me when I'm talking to God. We are gathered here today to pray over my friend's nails. Or she does not know what she wants, but I know that you will lead me.
She won't let me do ombre. She won't let me do glitter. Because that's all I ever do. Who gotta fight for this blue friend? Alright, now I feel better.
Because they hype you up, you feel better.
Y'all say period one more time. Period, big dot.
We do say
A lot.
Period.
Period. Krylx, period.
The city girls have tainted my
Yeah,
whole soul.
they have. I'm sorry, I'm so ratchet.
And that's on JT.
Nigga, did you just say that's on JT?
That's on JT.
Oh, that was sick.
That's on JT.
Stop playing with JT. What nail tips do you use?
These are extended clips. Wow, I'm ghetto. Wow. Extended tips, not clips. From
I didn't even peep you say that. So I said Jess.
I know, I'm tripping. Tips from Amazon. I'm sorry.
I didn't even peep. That's the dumb thing. That's how ghetto I am. Didn't even peep. They dumb like that. They really is.
They laughing because they know you was finna bust out laughing.
No, I wouldn't.
Glitter. I'll give you some glitter. Yeah, I'll give you a little shimmer.
She would let me do glitter. Y'all will go glitter today. Yeah, make it Christmas.
Just because
AF.
it's wintering.
She knew she wanted to do glue all along.
She do. I want to call her Fenty. No. You're doing too much.
You know, I'm really retarded and I'm sorry.
It's okay, great.
Whew, I was scared to look at this camera. Christmas is fun.
Yes, sir.
Cut all
Yes, sir. First of all, I would like to thank me for believing in me.
Period.
I'd like to thank myself for producing these bomb-ass products,
Pigmented.
putting out these bomb-ass content, passing out this bomb-ass game. Let me stop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Y'all so hype. I love
She said these nails on the body. No.
it.
Okay.
Put my nail over the thing.
It ain't a big deal. Oh my
Now,
god.
Where's all that product?
Mom, the
Hey.
fuck. Shit. Damn. All these
Where?
sorts of.
Where's all of this?
Hey. And you drinking. You gon' drink.
Do y'all hear how she talking?
You gon' drink.
Do y'all hear how she talking?
You gon' drink.
I told her I was not going out to eat. Girl, why? She said, why you talking crazy? She crazy.
We going out to eat.
She said, then you coming to my house. She gonna tell me what
We gotta do the commentary for the video.
Oh.
You
That wasn't even why. You was making me. Now you just want to give me a reason. No, she was making me regardless. She making me.
Everybody gotta take one.
It's Kari's birthday. Tell her fiance happy
Everybody gotta
birthday.
take one.
Who wants your company? Let's love you. Just love me and I love her. It's my friend.
How y'all be doing this sweater shit? I'm getting irritated, damn it.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ooh.
Say thank you, Kari.
Oh,
Hey, prove yourself.
son, I was over here taking my shit.
Show people.
I'm trying to see myself. Pick your head up.
Why I can't just relax?
Pick your head up.
Can't just relax on my own. I forgot we was recording. Pick your head up, dang.
Oh my god.
Now you whoa, what did you just do? What in the world? I didn't even peep you doing that at all.
I've been working. Damn
That's
it.
so fire. She the only person I will literally sit and be on my phone the whole time while she do my nails. Everybody else, I had to be on their ass. Looking at every move. I do not watch her do these nails. Get me right,
A little
Krylx.
razzle dazzle.
Get me right,
A
Krylx.
little razzle dazzle. They say keep ain't about this. He ain't about that. My boy a BDO looking, laying around in them. They say she don't need to put in work. Shut the fuck up. Y'all know Krylx got caught with the ratchet. She hit the police and shit.
Period. Do y'all see that glitter now?
Krylx been on bitch's neck since I don't know when.
Period. What you talking about? You see my pinky? Do you see my pinky? Do you see my pinky now? Come on now. What design? Who talking about we don't do design?
Who said that?
Where?
This is Christmas as fuck.